S1 right, and press RF.
This one you can't be doing it blindly. You have to do it under ultrasound-guided because there is one big nerve there, common peroneal nerve. Kalau terkena common peroneal popliteal lah, or common peroneal nerve, boleh dapat foot drop. So kita dah masukkan dua needle pada L4, L5, okay. And we do rest epidurolysis. We put catheter at L4, L5 towards to the right side. Sebab patient ni sakit banyak sebelah kanan. I'm going to give pulse radio frequency to infrapatellar nerve. Sebab yang patient selalu sakit. Alhamdulillah, we took about 1 hour to finish everything. So insyaAllah, we hope that patient will recover faster dan boleh jalan macam biasa lah.